Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we are going to make a birthday card for my granddaughter, and she's chosen the colors. We will be using the Eyelet Blooms April Product of the Month die and the second largest balloon festoon die. So let's get started. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you cut your die first or use this die first. Doesn't matter. But we're going to do the balloon die first. And we'll get rid of that little adhesive thing. And we'll put our die cutting side facing up. We'll put it at a slight angle. Put our balloon on how we want it. Oh, I forgot. We need to add a little bit of wax paper. And I just cut off a long piece and then use the flat edge to tear it. And it doesn't have to be perfect, so it doesn't matter. But this will help us peel the cardstock off more easily. So you just have to make sure that part of it is under your cardstock. And like I said, we want the die at an angle so that it is easier to crank through, and we want it back a tinge. Just make sure the end of your cutting plate covers it. Yes, funny noises sometimes happen. And I always go backwards. Sometimes I go another forward and a backward. I think I will. That usually helps the little pieces come out more easily. Now I'll show you how hard it is to get a piece off if you don't use the wax paper. You have to find a part that won't come off. But it usually takes a while to find it. And with the wax paper, I usually have it hanging off the edge of the thing. So maybe I didn't do it right this time. Okay, there we go. And then it just lifts right off. Now, peel off your wax paper. And we'll see that we got a lot of the little pieces out. We can use our take your pick tool with the die brush tip. Or if you'd rather, you can just use the paper piercer to poke out the little pieces. And there's usually some I do with the Now you'll need to do the same process with your die, because as you can see, there's lots of little pieces in there. Okay, let's go ahead and put our card together. I use the Words and Wishes dies for these. I cut 3 of each layer, and basic white for the bottom and hydrangea hue for the words. And since I did not keep track of the little teeny dots for the eye, we're going to use a little teeny butterfly because I know she likes butterflies. And she will think that's a fun touch. She's a really creative kid. The butterfly will just go the way I want it. There we go. Press it down. Then we will just glue everything on. I don't know, I haven't decided whether I'm using Stampin' Dimensionals for this or not. But now if we were really efficient, we could have used an adhesive sheet under this. I didn't ever think of that until right now. But we'll just use our glue. And remember, the key to using Tombow glue is that thin little line of glue. And if you happen to get a big glob, spread it around. Because it's the big globs that cause lumps and escaping glue at the sides of your project. And let's lay these out, figure out where we want them. That's probably good. There we go. And get it centered. And we'll add a few of the big butterflies too. Maybe we'll add some. And we have that one there, so hopefully that's good. I don't know, I want to add 2 more. So we'll still have an odd number. And the reason you want an odd number is because your eyes want things to be even. And so if there's an odd number, it creates more interest and your eyes enjoy it more. So enjoy making this fun birthday card for someone in their favorite colors. So thanks for watching. Remember to sign up for my newsletter to get inspiration every week. And you sign up at www.nindiescreativecorner.com. There's a link in the description. Thanks. Bye.